Thomas County in southeastern North Carolina, central Horry County in northeastern South Carolina until 4 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Goretown, or 14 miles northwest of Little River, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Goretown, Bug Hill, Pireway, Adrian, and Jula. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.